Welcome to Charged Up. Today, we're diving deep into the revolutionary world of Tesla's new smart tire sensors. Imagine your tires not just rolling on the pavement, but actively communicating with your vehicle, detecting tire wear and road conditions in real time. This tech could transform how we approach vehicle maintenance and safety. The ability of sensors to monitor tire health is groundbreaking. It's not just about improving performance, it's about enhancing safety on the roads. Think about it. Less wear and tear means fewer accidents. It's a win-win for drivers and manufacturers alike. And as we move towards a future filled with autonomous vehicles, these sensors might play a crucial role in how cars navigate through the complexities of urban environments. The integration of advanced technology like this signals a shift in the automotive industry. It's not just about electric vehicles anymore, it's about creating a connected ecosystem that prioritizes both efficiency and safety. As we explore these innovations, it's essential to consider the broader implications for our driving habits and the environment. This podcast was co-produced by Daniel Aharonoff and Mogul Media AI. Learn more.